Unlocking Cultural Workshops, a gateway to global understanding. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that bridges languages, cultures, and communities. Cultural workshops. These interactive sessions are more than just a learning experience. They're a journey into the heart of different societies. Whether you're a language learner, a cultural enthusiast, or simply curious, understanding what cultural workshops entail is the first step towards broadening your horizons. So, let's explore together. Cultural workshops are interactive sessions designed to immerse participants in the customs, traditions, arts, language, and overall lifestyle of a specific culture or a group of cultures. Unlike traditional classroom settings, these workshops are highly participatory, allowing individuals to engage directly with cultural artifacts, practices, and representatives. Key components often include music, dance, culinary arts, crafts, and storytelling, providing a holistic view of the culture being studied. Participating in cultural workshops offers a wealth of benefits. They enhance cultural awareness. By exposing participants to diverse ways of life, cultural workshops foster a deeper understanding and appreciation of global diversity. Improve language skills. For language learners, these workshops are a golden opportunity to practice language skills in a context-rich environment, enhancing fluency and comprehension. Build interpersonal connections. They encourage interactions among people from various backgrounds, promoting empathy, tolerance, and friendship. Stimulate creativity. Exposure to different cultural expressions can inspire participants to explore their creative talents in art, music, dance, and more. Finding the right cultural workshop can seem daunting, but here are a few tips to guide you. 1. Identify your interests. Whether it's a particular language, art form, or culinary tradition, knowing what you're passionate about can help narrow down the options. 2. Research. Look for local community centers, educational institutions, and cultural organizations that host workshops. Social media and online forums are also great resources. 3. Check reviews and testimonials. Hearing about others' experiences can provide valuable insights into what to expect. 4. Consider the format. Some workshops might be one-time events, while others could be part of a series. Decide what commitment level works for you. Cultural workshops are a vibrant, interactive way to explore the world from the comfort of your own community. They offer a unique blend of education, engagement, and entertainment, making learning about different cultures an enriching experience. We hope this video has inspired you to seek out a cultural workshop and embark on your own journey of discovery. Remember, every culture has something unique to offer, and by learning about them, we learn more about ourselves and the world we share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.